Welcome back. I'm Teacher MaheNoor. Let's draw an easy high-heeled shoes step by step. Comment your request drawing name below and stay tuned for the result.
Wow!